tired.
Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. So today, what we did in class was we worked with whiteboard.fi, and we learned how to use whiteboard.fi. And I'm going to show you. You would log in to whiteboard.fi when you're with me, and the code is going to be up here. It's going to be different every day. You can see I can see everybody's whiteboard right now. You can see all of them. I took away their names, but you can see I have all these whiteboards up here. And I also have my own whiteboard. So your whiteboard and my whiteboard, you're going to just see, you'll see yours and mine. But mine has a few tools. They all have a few tools that I want to show you. So this is a drawing tool. It has an eraser, so you can erase. It has a text box. So you would just click on the text box, and then you could write something on the text box. You can do a triangle. You can draw a square. You can insert a picture. I can just grab one from my drive, and I can insert a fun picture if that's what we're doing on whiteboards. Down here, again, you have erase all. This will clear my whiteboard. I'm going to clear that out. So that gives me a brand new whiteboard. I can also insert a grid, which is helpful because sometimes when you're adding, you want to keep your numbers one underneath the other, and it helps you to add correctly, especially when you're just learning. So you can see my numbers, my 10s are here, my 1s are here, and I could add these very easily and keep everything lined up. And this part is what I'm going to be pushing out to you mostly. I will insert a problem. I will insert a problem, and I will push that problem out to you. And on your whiteboard, you're going to see 12 minus 8. And actually, you will see two whiteboards. You'll see my whiteboard, and you'll have your own. So on the one that I pushed out to you, you'll see 12 minus 8. And on your whiteboard, you're going to want to put the answer to that. And then I get to see all of your answers. It's kind of like showing me your whiteboard in class, but we're actually doing it virtually. So today, I'm going to erase this. What we did today was we did a few problems. So the first problem that we did was we compared two decimals. So we compared 4 and 1500ths to 4 and 1800ths. So if you notice, the 4 is the same, so that doesn't help us. The 1 is the same, that does not help us. So we have to look at the hundredths place. We have a 5 and we have an 8. And we know 8 is definitely bigger than 5. So 4 and 1500ths is less than 4 and 1800ths. The next type of problem that we did was we did something like this. So we have 4 and 1500ths and 4.1. Again, the 4s are the same and the 1 is the same. But this time we have a problem. We're actually missing a number here. We can't compare 5 and with no number. So we want to put a placeholder. And anytime we put a placeholder, it's always a 0. So now I can compare my 5 to my 0. And 5 is clearly greater than 0. So 4 and 1500ths is greater than 4.10. And the last thing we did today in math was we put some numbers in order, some decimals in order. So here are my decimals. I'm going to start on the left, and I notice all my 2's are the same. But then I notice I have a 3, a 1, a 3, and a 1. So I know 1 is smaller than 3. I'm going from least to greatest. 1 is smaller than 3. So I want to look at my 1's first. I see a 5, and I see a 3. So this 3 is definitely the smallest. So that's going to be number 1. And this 5 comes next. That will be number 2. Now I can look at my 6 here and my 4 here. 4 is smaller than 6, so that comes third. And finally, this is my largest number. So going from greatest to least, from least to greatest, 2 and 1300ths is first, 2 and 1500ths is second, 2 and 3400ths is third, and 2 and 3600ths is fourth. And that's all we did in math today. You have some Google Slides that I want you to complete. You have 3 slides. You can insert a text box or you can open with Kami. Either one should work to fill in the blanks. If you have any questions or problems, please send me an email. I'll be happy to help. Bye.